Hey guys, this is Melissa Rago with Rago Fabrication. Today I'm going to show you how to install our Tundra dash plate. It's pretty simple. You don't need that many tools. I have them all lined up right here. Let's get started. The first step is we're going to go ahead and remove the shifter knob. It unscrews really easy. The next step is we're going to go ahead and remove this plate. Using a plastic pry bar, you're going to go ahead The next step, you're going to go ahead and pull up your cup holders. You're just going to pull. So the next step is we're going to go ahead and remove this panel here. Doing so, we're going to pry it off very gently using a knife. You're going to go ahead and walk this across to continue loosening it up. Then you'll go ahead and pull it. The next piece, you're just going to go ahead and pull it out and disconnect it. Using a 10mm ratchet, you're going to go ahead and remove these center bolts. So next we're going to go ahead and remove the two outer bolts. Before we do that, we're going to go ahead and use a spare piece of paper, or I'm just using a piece of paper towel. I'm going to go ahead and cover the socket and insert one of the bolts you already removed to make an indentation. Just like that. You're doing this step just to ensure that you're not going to drop this bolt. Because if you do, it drops down inside, you're going to be screwed. So you're going to remove the bolt just like this. And as you can see, it's stuck on a little piece of paper, on the paper towel. You're going to do the same thing for the other side. So the next step, you're going to pull the radio out, just like that. Now that we've disassembled the dash, we're going to go ahead and mount our plate. The first thing you want to do is see these two tabs. You're going to go ahead and line them up. So once you have your mounting plate lined up in the correct location, you're going to mark each one of your holes with a Sharpie. You'll remove the plate. So now that we've drilled one of the holes, you're going to check it. To make sure everything lines up correctly before you drill the remaining holes. You'll go ahead and put your dash plate on. I went ahead and installed the dash plate just to make sure everything lines up before we drill out the remaining holes. Put our surface plate back on, line it up, so you're going to go ahead and use your nylon locking nut. Go ahead and place it on there and tighten it up. Then you'll go ahead and finish the remaining holes. Once you have all the bolts in for the mounting plate, you're going to go ahead and reinstall the dash plate, line it up. Now we're ready to reassemble everything. Before we put the radio back, these yellow clips need to be pushed out, otherwise you'll push them back in. We went ahead and reinstalled everything, so now we're good to go. And make sure you get yours on our website, ragofabrication.com, and check us out on Instagram, Rago Fabrication, and join our Facebook group, Rago Cool Kids.